Standard 3, Subject English. Observe the picture carefully and name them. Which insect is this? Mosquito. Very good. Name this insect. Housefly. Very good. What is this? Honeybee. Excellent students. Today we are going to learn the lesson A Honeybee Speaks. A monologue. What is a monologue? A monologue is a long speech given by one person. When a person speaks about oneself, it is called a monologue. Here in this lesson, we see that the honeybee speaks about itself. What? Me? A lazy bee? You think I simply have fun all day among the flowers? Oh no! When I'm flitting from flower to flower, I'm actually very hard at work, and that's why I'm called not a lazy bee but a busy bee. In the park or in the environment around us, we see that there are many plants and flowers. Also, we see that bees come and sit on the flowers for a little while, then they fly away. By looking at the bees, we may feel that bees doesn't have any work. They simply fly from flower to flower. But the real story is that they fly to the flower, collect the nectar, and fly to the next flower. So here we see that the bee is very busy flitting from flower to flower. Flitting means flying. Come, I'll show you my house and tell you what a lot of work we bees do all our life. My house is called a honeycomb. It's a big house with thousands of rooms or cells. Each room has 6 equal sides. We take a lot of care to build it. We even produce the material for building the comb. It's called beeswax. The house of the honeybee is called honeycomb. It's a big house with thousands of rooms. Rooms are also called as cells. Each room has 6 sides and all the 6 sides are equal. Bees do not collect things to build a house. Instead, they produce the material required to build the house, and that material is called beeswax. Do you know, when I was very young, I used to stay at home, but even then I had to do a lot of work. I had to look after the larvae, the babies that would grow into bees. I had to feed them and protect them. If anyone came near our comb to disturb it, I was ready with my weapon, a sting. I'm not only a worker, I'm also a soldier. Beware, don't trouble me. Young bees stay at home. Staying at home doesn't mean that they have no work. At home, they had to look after the larvae, The baby bees are called larvae. The young bees had to feed them and protect them so that the baby bees grow into bees. If anyone come near the comb and disturb them, then the young bees fight with their weapon called a sting. A sting is a sharp pointed part of the body of the insect. Here we see that the bee is a worker and a soldier too. Also, we learn that we should never disturb or trouble the honeycomb. Well, to go back to the comb, I had to keep the comb cool by fanning it with my wings. Then I had to keep the house in order, put away all the honey and food that other bees brought from the flowers. But luckily, I had hundreds of other bees working with me. We all worked together without ever fighting. That's one reason why we can build such perfect and beautiful houses. To keep the honeycomb cool, the bees have to keep fanning their wings. There are hundreds of bees in the honeycomb. They all work together. They keep their house in order, put away all the honey and food brought by other bees. They never fight. That is why they could build perfect and beautiful house. During this lockdown time, all are at home. Do not fight with your siblings. Help your parents by doing simple household chores. In this way, your family too will be peaceful and beautiful like the bees family. Yes, I helped with the house building too. We keep making our house bigger and bigger to make room for the babies and for the food and honey we gather. Bees never stop their work. They continue to make their house bigger and bigger so that they have enough rooms for the babies and also for the food and honey they collect. They never feel tired because they are happy to work for each other. When I became older, I began to fly out of the comb to gather nectar. I take the nectar and pollen from the flowers and carry them back to the comb. Nectar is the sweet juice in flowers, and pollen is the yellow powdery stuff you see on flowers. I visit hundreds of flowers and make several trips every day without wasting even a single moment. When the young bees grow older, they also fly out and collect nectar and pollen from flowers. In a day, they visit hundreds of flowers. Also, they fly out several times in a day without wasting their time. They collect nectar and pollen. What is nectar? Nectar is the sweet juice in flowers. What is pollen? Pollen is the yellow powdery stuff we see on flowers. Here we see that the bees are hardworking and they don't waste their time. Once the time gets wasted, it never comes back. So children, do not waste your time. Instead, use it wisely. Also, we should be hardworking like the bees. The nectar from the flowers is too thin. We bees turn it into the sweet, thick honey that you like. It's only because you called me a lazy bee that I stopped and explained it all to you. Otherwise, I have not a moment to lose. Bye. The nectar from the flowers is very thin, but bees make them into thick sweet honey. We all like the sweet, thick honey, and now we know that it is made by honeybees. Very interesting story of the honeybee. We got to know many things about honeybee and its comb. Do you know honeycomb is also called as beehive? Values learnt from the lesson. We should be hardworking like the bees. We should take care of others and help those who are in need. We should not trouble others. We should never fight with anyone. Instead, work together. Do not waste time. Comprehension. Extract 1. English Balbharati, page 17 and 18. What? Me? A lazy bee? 2. By? Question 1. Write the answers to the following questions. Number 1. Why is the bee called a busy bee? Answer 1. The bee is called a busy bee because it is hard at work the whole day. 2. What work do young bees do? Answer 2. Young bees look after the larvae. They feed and protect them. 3. What weapon does the bee have? Answer 3. The bee has its sting as a weapon. Question 4. When does the bee use its weapon? Answer 4. The bee uses its weapon when anyone comes near the comb to disturb it. Question 5. What work do the older bees do? Answer 5. The older bees fly out of the comb and gather nectar and pollen from the flowers. They carry them back to the comb and turn them into sweet, thick honey. Question 6. Give one difference between nectar and honey. Answer 6. Nectar is thin while honey is thick. Find the meanings of the following from the lesson. Honeycomb. A big house made by bees with thousands of cells. Each cell has 6 equal sides. Beeswax, material for building the comb. Nectar, the sweet juice in flowers. Pollen, the yellow powdery stuff we see on flowers. Make sensible words from the letters given below. 1. DEISLOR, soldier. 2. LITAMEAR, material. 3. ROWLFE, flower. 4. NPEWAO, weapon. 5. TGINFILT, flitting. 6. CETTROP, protect.